Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Ashish Dhawan is an Indian private equity investor and philanthropist who co-founded and ran one of India's leading private equity funds, which is Chrys Capital. Now, as of last count, his portfolio of stocks basically exceeds more than 800 crores. Please watch this video to know more about his portfolio. Now, the first company on the list is Idfc Limited, which is a holding company. Now, this company is engaged in investing businesses, and its segments include financing, which includes banking business, and others which include asset management, investment banking, and institutional banking. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the stock, you would see that it's essentially not been a great performer, and the market cap here is 9527.85 crores, which makes it a mid-cap company. The EPS is 4.4923, which means that the stock is available at a price to earnings ratio of 13.2803, which is slightly above industry PE of 9.49. Now, the book value for the company is 60.47, which means that the stock is slightly below its book value. Now, the face value is 10 and the dividend yield and dividend percent is 0. The 52-week low is 50.20, whereas the 52-week high is just about close to 69. The second company on the list is Greenlam Industries Limited, which is available at 1055.35. Now, this company is a laminates manufacturing company and is engaged in the business of manufacturing laminates, decorative veneers, and allied products through its factories at various locations and branches and dealers networks spread all over the country. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, it's a beautiful stock with a consistent uptrend. The market cap is 2547.23, which means that the stock is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 21.52, which means that the stock is available at a very expensive valuation of 49.04, which however is in line with its industry peers. The book value is 125.57, which means that the stock is available at a price to book ratio of 8.40. The face value is 5, and if you were to see the dividend yield percent, it's 0.14. The promoter holding here is average, which is 54.74. The 52-week low is 561.55. Now, the third company on the list is Dish TV India Limited, which is available at 80.55 on the National Stock Exchange. Now, Dish TV India Limited is engaged in the business of direct-to-home, DTH, and teleport services. The company's segments include DTH and telephone services and infra support services. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the company, you would see that it's been on a consistent downtrend, and the market cap of the company here is 8586.75 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 0.85, which means that the stock is available at a whopping price to earnings ratio of 94.76, which is very expensive compared to the industry standard of 45.53. The book value here is 2.56, which means that the stock is available at a very high price to book ratio of 31.46. The promoter holding here is also average at 64.44. The 52-week low is 68, and the company does not currently pay out any dividends. The face value is rupees 1. Now, the fourth company on the list is the South Indian Bank Limited, which is available at rupees 31.55. Now, this company provides retail and corporate banking services and is also involved in things such as debit card, third-party product distribution, in addition to treasury and foreign exchange businesses. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the company, you will again see that it's a beautifully uptrending stock, and the market cap here is 5692.81 crores, which makes it a mid-cap stock. The EPS here is 1.62, which means that the price to earnings ratio here is 19.48. The industry PE is 28.06, which means that the stock is quietly cheaper compared to the industry standard. The book value is 25.50, which means that the stock is available at a price to book ratio of 1.24. The dividend yield here is 1.27. Now, the promoter holding here is not applicable, and the 52-week low is 16.78. The face value is 1. Now, the final company on the list is V-Mart Retail Limited, which is available at 1361.20. Now, this is a company which retails ready-made garments and accessories and is engaged in value retailing through its chain of stores situated at various places in India. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the company, you would see that the stock has been on a consistent uptrend, and it's only recently that there has been a dip in stock prices. The market cap is 2463.41 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 31.67, which means that the stock is available at a price to earnings ratio of 42.98, which is much cheaper compared to the industry PE of 110.17. Now here, important to say that this sector has got re-rated after Avenue Supermarts got listed. The book value is 149.40, which means that the stock is available at a price to book ratio of 9.11. Now the face value is 10 and the promoter holding is 54.4. The 52-week low is 451.55. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.